Hello everyone, welcome to another series of today's GK. Let's begin with previous day practice question. Question was Urban Shift program is led by Worldwide Fund for Nature, World Economic Forum, UN Development Program or United Nations Environment Program. The correct answer is option D, United Nations Environment Program. Urban Shift is a global environment fund, that is GEF funded program led by UN Environment Program. Hence option D is correct. It supports more than 20 cities in Asia, Africa and Latin America to adopt integrated approaches to urban development, helping shape cities that are efficient, resilient and inclusive. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, recently the term Hinamannor was in news. It is asteroid, mosasaur, virus or typhoon. The correct answer is option D, typhoon. The strongest tropical storm of 2022, Hinamannor, is raging toward the East China Sea, threatening Japan's southern islands. Super Typhoon Hinamannor, which is similar to Category 5 hurricane, is accumulating a sustained wind speed of about 241 km per hour, according to the US Joint Typhoon Warning Center. Hence, option D is correct. A storm must attain a sustained wind speed of at least 240 km per hour in order to be classified as a super typhoon. Recently, a Japanese satellite, Himawari 8, captured an alarming aerial photograph of the storm. Next question is, Nuakhai festival is celebrated in Nagaland, Gujarat, Kerala or Odisha. The correct answer is option D, Odisha. Recently, the Nuakhai festival was celebrated in Odisha. Hence, option D is correct. Nuakhai is an agrarian festival. In this festival, the new rice of the season is offered to the deities even before the crop is harvested. People take the new rice so offered to the goddess as prasad, thereby symbolizing their gratitude to the divine for blessing them with ann or food. Next question is, which of the following ministries is celebrating the 5th Rashtriya Poshan Maha 2022 from 1st to 30th September 2022? Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare or Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. The correct answer is option B, Ministry of Women and Child Development. The Ministry of Women and Child Development is celebrating the 5th Rashtriya Poshan Maha 2022 from 1st to 30th September 2022. This year, the objective is to trigger Poshan Maha through Gram Panchayats as Poshan Panchayats with key focus on Mahila or Swasthya and Bachcha or Shiksha. Hence, option B is correct. Poshan Abhiyan is Government of India's flagship program to improve nutritional outcomes for children under 6 years of age, pregnant women and lactating mothers. Launched by Prime Minister Poshan, that is Prime Minister's overarching scheme for holistic nutrition Abhiyan, aims to address the challenge of malnutrition in a mission mode. Next question is, Union Home and Cooperation Minister has recently launched the CAPF e-Awas web portal in Jaipur, Pune, Jammu or New Delhi. The correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Recently, Union Home and Cooperation Minister launched the CAPF e-Awas web portal in New Delhi. Hence, option D is correct. CAPF e-Awas portal has been developed on the lines of the online allotment system of General Pool Residential Accommodation e-Sampada. It will facilitate maintenance of an accurate inventory of residential quarters or separated family accommodation, that is SFA, held by CAPFs. The portal also has the provision for the intimation to the applicant through SMS and email at various stages of allotment process. The portal would also facilitate planning for construction of new quarters based on demand gap analysis. Next question is, in the recent context, which of the following best describes the term synergy? Oil exploration drill, development of humanoid, military exercise or cyber security exercise? The correct answer is option D, cyber security exercise. Recently, CERT-in hosted cyber security exercise Synergy for 13 countries as part of the International Counter Ransomware Initiative Resilience Working Group. Hence, option D is correct. It was hosted in collaboration with the Cyber Security Agency of Singapore. The theme of the exercise was building network resiliency to counter ransomware attacks. The exercise scenario was derived from real-life cyber incidents in which a domestic-level limited impact ransomware incident escalates to a global cybersecurity crisis? Next question is the Center for Development of Telematics or CDOT was established in 1984, 1985, 1986 or 1987. The correct answer is option A, 1984. Recently, CDOT and National Disaster Management Authority organized an all-India workshop on CAP-based Integrated Alert System sachet to turn state governments to mitigate effects of disasters. CDOT was established in August 1984 as an autonomous telecom R&D center of DOT Government of India. Hence, option A is correct. It is a registered society under the Societies Registration Act 1860. It is a registered public-funded research institution with the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research or DSIR, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. It is hailed as a progenitor of the indigenous telecom revolution in the nation. Next question is the World Coconut Day is observed on September 1st, September 2nd, September 3rd or September 4th. The correct answer is option B, September 2nd. Recently, Gujarat State Center for Coconut Development Board was inaugurated on World Coconut Day. World Coconut Day is observed on September 2 to commemorate the formation of Asian Pacific Coconut Community or APCC. The APCC is headquartered at Jakarta, Indonesia, and all major coconut growing countries including India are members of APCC. Hence, option B is correct. The main theme of this year is Cultivate Coconut for a Happy Life and Future. Coconuts are members of the drupe family and it is a fleshy fruit that has been planting in tropical regions. India currently is the third largest coconut producer with Indonesia at the top. Next question is, La Tomatina festival takes place in which of the following countries? Italy, France, Portugal or Spain? The correct answer is option D, Spain. La Tomatina festival takes place in Bunol, a little village near Valencia, Spain. Hence, option D is correct. It happens annually on the last Wednesday of August. It is billed as the world's biggest food fight. The festival started in 1945 when locals brawling in the street at a folk festival grabbed tomatoes from a grocer's stall and let loose. In 2002, Spain's tourism secretary named the event a festivity of international tourist interest because of its popularity. Next question is, what is Sarvavac? Anti-tank missile, anti-radiation missile, new sonar technology or a vaccine? The correct answer is option D, a vaccine. India's first indigenously developed quadrivalent human papillomavirus or HPV vaccine for the prevention of cervical cancer was launched recently. The QHPV vaccine Sarvavac has demonstrated a robust antibody response that is nearly 1,000 times higher than the baseline against all targeted HPV types and in all dose and age groups. The Drugs Controller General of India or DCGI had last month granted market authorization to the Serum Institute of India or SII to manufacture an indigenously developed vaccine against cervical cancer. Hence, option D is correct. Cervical cancer in India ranks as the second most frequent cancer among women between 15 and 44 years of age. Last question is, the Palaeoloxodon antiquus is elephant, dugong, rhinoceros or lemur? The correct answer is option A, elephant. Recently, a fossilized tusk from a giant prehistoric elephant that once roamed around the Mediterranean has emerged from an excavation site in southern Israel. The 2.5-meter tusk from the ancient straight-tusked elephant that is Palaeoloxodon antiquus is estimated to be around 500,000 years old. It is found in an area where stone and flint tools and other animal remains have been recovered. Hence, option A is correct. Now it's time for the practice question. Boots word is used in the context of mountaineering, forestry, robotics or space. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.